So this race you mentioned, when's it happening?
Hop in, I'll tell you. Drive to this location. We have to meet Racer Girl.
Who's Racer Girl?
She's Racer Girl.
Oh, gotcha.
So, Muscle, what made you decide not to take a dive like Frank wanted you to?
Nothing. Holston went down too easy. Hell, I wouldn't be surprised if someone paid him to take a dive.
Huh. So, why stick around if Frank is out for your head? Why not just leave Vegas? Go somewhere nice, like Reno.
You don't run from a guy like Frank. Go to Bermuda, there's a cabana boy packing a submachine gun with your name on it. And besides, fuck him.
Now you're talking. F him in the A. Racer Girl! How are you, my darling?
I'd be better if I had some of your bitches brew.
A new batch will be ready tomorrow, my sweet.
That's what I like to hear. Who's your friend?
Jason, meet Racer Girl. Racer Girl, Jason, a new driver.
Sweet. Hope you can keep up. You driving 2E?
No, just along for the ride.
Then hop in. Show's about to start.
The hunger for the next big thing force new artists to expand their horizons.
3,
Say that it all is the way of folk.
1,
It's all about the free
go!
market, right?
Yeah. And, you don't want to punish me for not understanding the free market, do you?
God damn it! I'm a DJ now. Do you hear me? Word. Now say you're sorry, or I'll beat you until you're seeing double.
Oh, yes, mister. Sorry, mister.
If you want to call me and talk about rock music, then do it. But if not, stay off my phone.
Suck it, you sucky sucker! Faster! Woohoo!
Seems like you could really handle some dangerous curves.
I can handle anything you throw at me.
Good to know. There's always other races going on in Vegas, you know. If you find yourself strapped for cash, hit one up.
Yeah, I might do that.
See you around.
It's Karen. You free?
I was gonna go to the club. Need to talk to Vera about something.
Well, when you get a chance, come see me. Could use some help with something, okay?
Hey, this E-Man guy said that... Karen?
You made it. Nice. I need some backup, and my usual go-to is out of town.
Yeah, it's good to see you too.
Come on, we're going to Dunnerlin.
What's in Dunnerlin?
A good old-fashioned arms deal. Just need to grab a little something-something to help protect what little Vera has left.
So, what's your deal?
My deal?
Yeah, like, what's your story?
Once upon a time, there was a girl who didn't really feel like playing the getting to know you game. That's my story.
Ha! Playing hard to get, okay. I see how it's gonna be.
Yeah, just drive, Southie.
I lied to you last night. About my brothers. We didn't shoot at rats. We ran with like a crew, I guess. But I got out. Stuck to fighting instead.
Good to know.
You're in Polly's playground now.
87-8.
At this point,
Stop up here.
the only one I can trust. Detective Walter Butternut is alone.
Luis, what goodies have you got for me today?
Sorry, Karen. My hands are tied here.
Seriously?
Take him out!
Jason, grab cover!
What the hell was that?
Frank must have gotten to Luis and applied some pressure. Fucker's getting aggro on us all of a sudden.
'Cause of me?
Probably. At least Luis left the guns. Gonna take these to a safe house. Then I need to meet with Vera, figure out a plan. Hope I'm not gonna regret pulling you out of that car, Jason.
Drive around while we talk.
Okay, so we all got a Frank problem. Maybe we should skip the talking and get to the part where we take action.
Action? No. I'm gonna arrange a sit-down. We'll hash out some things, I'm gonna vouch for you, and then things will go back to normal.
And what's normal? You stay out of his way until he gets tired of playing by the rules? Again? Until he takes control of this entire city and leaves you with nothing? Is that the Vegas you want? Frank tried to ruin the one good thing I had going for me. My fight. Thought he could walk right in and just take. I've known guys like Frank my whole life. Back in Boston, there was a jerk-off just like him who thought loyalty was a one-way street. Sure, he'll play nice while it's in his interest, but the next thing you know, the bro's dead, and you're buying a one-way ticket to Las Vegas just to keep your fingers. I'm done taking shit from the Franks of the world. It's time for Frank Valiano to start playing by our rules.
Easier said than done, kid. Frank's got friends, like Winston Goodman.
And that's where we start.
It's all good in the hood.
Get ready to feel the passion and the power of the Smash mobile game turned TV show turned rock opera extravaganza, Nova, the musical on ice. Featuring the Smash hits, Judges Gotta Judge, yearning for Yelena, and hold me closer, vote to right commander. This season at the B, experience the raw emotion, the spectacle, the explosions, the arabesques.
To the rest of this country, it's known as the City of Sin. But to me, it's home. I'm Reverend Goodman, and I'm here to tell you that together...
That's right, burn, baby!
Need not wallow in the shadows of those casinos. Your tax dollars need not go to government waste and excess. We can build a Vegas where it's not the house always wins. Tell you
You're going down! You're out of here, Goodman!
Your tax dollars need not go to more government waste and excess. We can build a Vegas where your style.
I just wanted to keep dancing. But after 3 days, some loser bouncer kicked my ass to the curb. Said I smelled like a septic tank? I am a tank! Step into my ring, brah!
Don't get aggro. Get whooped up, Ducky. The only rubber ducky on the market loaded with every great 69X speaker.
Jaywalking, chill.
That's the bass when I scrub my face. It's a rubber ducky.
Erase this guy!
Why should your music? 1014, where the classic vibes stay alive. Classic vibes. 101.4.
Where is everyone?
Out celebrating. Karen called and said it was a rousing success.
Feels good, doesn't it?
I hope we didn't just start a war.
I hope we did. Hello?
Jason, hey, I'm a friend of Karen's. Well, I don't know, friend is such a passé term. It's more like we were in kindergarten together, and I've been kind of oddly obsessed with her ever since. And she's been nice enough to indulge my obsessions by hanging out with me from time to time. Yeah.
Okay.
Ronnie Q, by the way.
Like the DJ girl?
Exactly like the DJ girl. So hey, Karen says you're good at causing a little mayhem. True story, I like causing a little mayhem myself from time to time. You ever want to get into a little trouble together, come see, okay?
Yeah, sure. Karen say anything else about me?
Who's Karen? Oh, right. No, not really. Anyway, gotta go. Come see me. Let's break stuff.